Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video I'll show you how I tie-dye this hoodie. The reason why I'm tie-dyeing this hoodie is I cleaned the house one day and I accidentally spilled bleach at the front and on the hood right there, so it's quite visible, so I will be tie-dyeing whole hoodie. Now I'll show you how to tie-dye this hoodie. I'm tie-dyeing this hoodie outside so it's safe, and I'll be using this bleach. So basically I spray bleach all over the hoodie, everywhere, literally random places, so it's all filled with the bleach, and I will continue that at the front and at the back. Sorry, my camera fell on the grass, so I had to reposition the tripod, and as you can see now, the bleach have bleached the hoodie quite nicely. It's much lighter, and now I'm just adding more bleach in random places, and I will leave this to soak for about 4 hours. Next, I'm rinsing off all of the bleach from this hoodie. And we'll hand wash this hoodie in a sink, like that. And after hand washing, I will leave it to dry. Oh my god, look at this. Oh wow, oh wow. Super nice, looks really nice from all of the angles. What do you think? Super happy. If you have any questions how I bleached this hoodie, please do comment down below in a comment box. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you next time. Love, Anita.